Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is how much protein and calories on a plant-based diet. So thanks for tuning in. I'm going to be going over what I ate on this day, and make sure you stay tuned. I'll have all the details on that, and then later on in the video I'll have the totals on the macros and the number of calories, because that's a question I get a lot, is how much protein do I eat, how many calories do I eat. So here we go. I started off at 1 p.m. with a big bowl of watermelon, and it turned out to be about 1,224 grams of watermelon. And I weighed everything on this day, so everything is precise and exact. It's exactly what I eat, exactly the total nutrition, because I weighed everything on a little kitchen scale. And what I typically do is I have my first meal around 1 p.m., sometimes 12 p.m., just depending on the day. I do my workout around 10, 11 a.m. I always do my workout fasted, and then I wait and I break my fast around 1 p.m. Now, throughout the morning, I do drink water. And as far as the type of workouts I do, right now I'm doing 2 days of strength training and 2 days of running. So I'm working out 4 days a week, kind of alternate in between the strength training and the running. And then I have a few days a week off in between. And I do several walks throughout the day as well. So I walk my dog typically 3 times a day. So I am pretty active throughout the day along with my workouts. And this watermelon is super delicious. So I recommend always starting off with your first meal with something nice and hydrating, water-rich, such as watermelon. Now, my second meal of the day was at 2:30 p.m. and it was banana and ice cream. And this was a very simple recipe. It was just frozen ripe bananas and dates. It had 625 grams of bananas and 45 grams of dates. That's all it was. Very simple, delicious, filling, and satisfying. And this is a great thing to have, especially during warm weather. That's something that's healthy, but also it gives you that ice cream consistency. Now, the way that I freeze my bananas is I wait till they're nice and ripe and I freeze them with the peel on, and then I throw them in a tub of hot water for about 4 minutes, and then they just come out of the peel. So that's the way I like to do it, because of the consistency of the ice cream. And of course, I have a high-powered blender. I use a Vitamix, which I recommend to blend up the ice cream. And there was the finished product, nice huge bowl of banana and ice cream. Then at 6 p.m., I started with a big green salad. It had greens, cucumber, avocado, apples, and tomato. This is one of my go-to recipes. No need to use salad dressing, just chopped everything up, cut it up, and enjoyed the salad. And then at 7 p.m., after the salad, I had a big bowl of oats. It had 2 servings of oats. I had a couple of bananas in there. I had some more dates. I had some dried sweetened cherries, a serving of pecans, a tablespoon of cacao powder, and about a half a cup of frozen wild blueberries. So there it is, super delicious oatmeal recipe. And then right after the oatmeal, I had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich on Dave's bread. I get this brand, it's called CB's Nuts. It's just organic peanuts, 1 ingredient, and some organic jelly. And then I had a few cups of popcorn after that as well. So that was it for the day. The total was 3,035 calories, 525 grams of net carbs, 70 grams of fiber, 73 grams of fat, and 59 grams of protein. So thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook. It's in the description box below the video. I have some delicious recipes. Hope everyone has a great day. Make sure you subscribe for more videos, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.